not hit subscribe and that notification bell so you never miss another video. See you next time. Bye. Whew, cool. Another one done in the can.
Holy crap, Tori! What are we gonna do about this?
About what?
About this!
This isn't even a big
This
deal.
is mess! You've unboxed over 200 products and haven't returned a single one of them!
Yeah, but I have to host the show!
And I'm always
That makes my
here!
job
Like, I'm
around
gonna
here.
go and
Tori, you're not doing enough around
I'm
here.
over
I
it!
have to
I'm
host.
going crazy! I'm over it!
Can't have an adult conversation with this guy. What's up, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Rebox This, the only box-related show that Newegg has ever created. Thanks to some encouragement from Nico and my need to talk to a camera to keep myself company, we have the absolute pleasure of reboxing the latest and greatest tech. Which tech exactly? No freaking clue. But we're gonna discover this together. In order to do that though, first, we better rebox this. No one even reads these. We don't even need this!
Hey! We're locking up for the day.
Yeah, everything okay? We're
Please.
a bit worried.
Please, what if you guys just stayed and helped me rebox this? I have a really hard time figuring out what goes where, and I'm just getting really confused, and I think
Hell no. It's Friday night. But good luck though.
Yeah, and I got a baby I gotta get to.
Please, guys, please! I need to know. Oh, don't rip. Please, I need this. Call it done. Wait, does this box go in here? Please! Does this styrofoam fit in here? Okay. This isn't that hard. There we go. I'm done! Going home! Here it is! We have our half-assorted products! I actually don't have good descriptions written down of what's inside these, so let me just read some of the boxes for you. Like these Bluetooth headphones. They have a instantly switch. You can use it on the Meta Quest. But that's not all. That's not all. In this one, it's a video projector. You have 1080p resolution, 55,000 hours of lamp life, a mini tripod in case you don't have one of those already, and an HDMI cable. I'm sure though that this is gonna be great for. And this one over here, your loved ones will adore you thanks to. And you know what? This one, it's definitely an essential for I'm not sure where to go from here. If you want to get your hands on any of these products, you can go to Newegg.com or click the links in the description below. And while you're there, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss another video. Thank you so much for watching. We just reboxed this. Bye.
Hey Tori, I'm sorry about yesterday. I was just really frustrated. What is going on here? Have you been here all night?
Doesn't matter. I'm out of here. You got to deal with this now. I'm going home.
But everything's like half box. What are you talking?
Doesn't matter. You deal with it. Not my job anymore. That's all you. Bye. Go ahead.
Welcome back to another episode of Unbox This with. Whoa, God!